Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another banger video. Welcome back to a beautiful day here in Dallas, Texas. It is early in the morning, about 7:30 in the morning. 8 o'clock over in New York session, 8:30. Currently in the trade right now. This is day 4 of grinding 500 to 50,000. Sorry, 500 to $50,000 day trading. Only go. I'm not switching up. New York session only. I don't trade London because London I be falling asleep 2 days before my birthday. July 24th is my birthday, so smash that Instagram and hit me up, tell me happy birthday. But yeah, currently in a trade right now. I'm currently watching YouTube per usual. I'm watching Josh's videos. My boy, shout out Josh a lot. I'm always watching his videos because team effort. Hello. So currently in a trade right now. As y'all can see, we are in this trade. Price had this huge impulse over the last few days. So we had this huge impulse to the upside. And then we had a few days of consolidation. Like, price was so choppy right here. So we got into this position because it actually came down to this 50% level. As y'all can see, the 50% level. And it's just been choppy, and I've been waiting for the impulse correction continuation. So now we are in the continuation part, and I'm waiting for it to hit our 0.0, which is our first TP, and it's riding pretty well. We are currently up about $300, $330. We have currently 2 positions open. Let's see, we currently have 2 positions open right now. So we kind of just letting this do its thing. Currently 350. So we kind of just letting this do its thing. Hit the first TP and we just rocking out. So like I said, currently watching Josh's videos right now, nothing too crazy. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep an update on the trade. Currently floating around 350. It's really pushing hard too. So so stay tuned on my Instagram just to keep updated and see what's going on. Okay, so still trade update. I'm kind of keeping y'all play by play, but so steady still pushing. I'm kind of waiting for it to hit that TP1 because that was the high or the most high that we've had this week. So I'm letting it at least get to that point, and then I probably will look to take the trade off. And it's probably gonna break, retest, and continue to the upside, but I think I'll be good with that. Good push to the upside. Currently floating around 430. So I'm kind of waiting for it to hit their TP, and then I'm probably gonna end up getting out, calling it a day. I'm not being greedy. It might break and retest, what I'm probably sure it's going to, and then probably continue to the upside. We're going to see, but it's kind of just doing this thing. Yeah, it's kind of just doing this thing right now. So even on a daily on a daily time frame, it's giving me that it wants to keep going. As y'all can see, it's steady flying. It wants to keep going. That's the 4 hour. This is the 1 day. It's starting to break that zone, the resistance zone. So now we are currently in the 15-minute floating. It's like it's about to hit that TP really soon. So yeah. So floating around 475. We're probably about to end up getting up out this position. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I currently got out the position. It's currently floating like I said it was. I kind of want to get back in. I'm not gonna lie. It's currently floating. It's probably gonna break, retest, but I end up closing out the positions. As y'all can see, the new balance is 1674. We made around almost $600 on the day. About 570 on the day. 570 on the day. So we're still on track to 50K. Good trading day overall. Solid. I'm happy with it. Not being greedy. I did what I was supposed to do. Did my job. Let the trade play out. I held on to the trade. Honestly and truthfully too, because like usually don't hold on to my trades, but I actually held on to that trade. So, and it felt cool because it's like I know a little pullback is gonna come. Once you can anticipate a little bit of pullback, it's like not that big a deal. But it's just something that you have to grow into or work out that muscle. So yeah. So trading day is complete. Good trading day, solid. We didn't trade yesterday. Price was moving kind of funny. It is currently the end of the month, which is also the beginning of the month, so you're gonna see a lot more consolidation. So yeah, 2 days before my birthday, today is Tuesday, I'm gonna be posting reels for the most part. Today I might go out for a workout, so I might do that later. It's pretty early, there's not really much going on, so yeah. What else? Anything else? So if you want to do a one-on-one call, or you want to do an ebook or purchase an ebook from me, is if you've never traded before, fundamentals, you know what I'm saying, you can hit me up. I'm only doing like 18 more people. I said 20. I've done 2 people so far, so I'm only doing like 18 more people until November. I'm going to focus on becoming a better trader, working on this challenge, and just working on breaking out next year. That's really kind of the thing. So we have 5 months left of this year, so I really want to hone in on the skill a little bit more, because why not? And then come 2026, break out. So right now I'm just really focused on just perfecting trading, building my personal brand. So I probably won't do too many more calls, but the ebook will probably still be for sales, because it's already information that's in there. But yeah, I had a great talk with this lady yesterday, and she just had my mind going crazy after we got off the call about like doing live tradings and stuff like this, and like building my platform and stuff and teaching a little bit more. So she's kind of got my brain a little rattled right now. So yeah, I'm thinking about it a little bit more and more. But like I said, this year is really just me focusing on producing and just being better as a trader, because we got 5 months left. So if you're watching this video and you ain't started yet, you need to get started right now, especially if this is what you want to do and you know this is what you want to do and you locked in. It's time to go in. You got 5 months left. You know what you can do in 5 months? Do you know you could probably definitely be taking your first trade by the beginning of January? You could probably be making like $100 a day by January. That's $500 a week. That's $2,000 a month. That's easy work, easy work, because that's just capital at that point. It's always just gonna be about capital. So what you waiting on? You can change your life. You know what I'm saying? You can get up out that rat hole. You can get out the matrix, or whatever they want to call it. You can be progressing your life. Just start today. So yeah, great trading day. I might take y'all out later with me. I might go to the trail or whatever, get some more content or whatever. Nothing too crazy, but it's still pretty early. Yeah, still watching Josh's videos per usual. I guess we can check on a trade and see what's happened, because it started pushing like crazy, which I knew it would, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna have a pullback and continuation. Yeah, see, it's about to pull back. I should hop in while you're talking. I was about to have that pullback, and it's gonna probably go for that continuation. Yeah, I can almost call this, bro. It's giving me a pullback. I might get back in if it gives me a solid bullish candle, and I might ride it honestly until until my negative 27, because it gave me that. Here we go. Here go that bearish candle. Like, it's like I almost can just like sense it, bro. Like, it's so crazy. Now, if it's respecting this, then it's gonna push a little harder, which is so crazy. So we got like a minute left, and it looks like it's really respecting this trend line, honestly. Yeah, it's giving me a break and retest. Yeah, but it's like, do I really want to get back in? I really don't need to. I'm actually okay, but it's like the setup is right there. I could just hop in for a quick scout, maybe make an extra $100 or something, because it's definitely giving me a break and retest for sure. It's respecting that line. We got a minute left on this candle. I could just hop back in for a quick scout. I am going to change my thing though, just in case I do decide to. Nothing crazy. I'm going to probably do like a 37 lot if I just hop in. But giving it about 53 more seconds. We're going to see what happens. I really feel like it's going to respect this line, this trend line, and then it's going to just blow through the water again. But it's like, But like once you get to, bro, I tell everybody, trading is not hard. It's the understanding of the language that's the hardest. Once you start trading, you start recognizing stuff. The stuff becomes pretty easy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not going to cap. It starts to become more and more easier because stuff started to just like kind of be repetitive, which is cool. You know, I'm not mad at it. I like repetitive because I can like, I don't want to say predict the market, but I can always have a great bias of what I think is going to happen next. Even if it don't play out, I got a good sense of what may come next. So, you know, that's always good. So we got 3 seconds left on this candle. It's about to close. It's already closed. Let's see how it's gonna come out the gate. It's on a 5-minute. Oh, it's bearish. Let's see. Okay, so that might be an invalid position. So that's another thing about being patient. I could have hopped in there and went against me. So I'm glad I didn't. But you know what I'm saying, I was just looking to see what was gonna happen. So it was probably gonna give us some pullback. But honestly and truthfully, the position still might play out that way. Honestly and truthfully. But I'm not even gonna worry about it because like I said, you know what, we're done for the day. And I think that's a sign from God. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I did what I had to do, I produced, I did my job, we're good. We're about to get ready to close this off because I don't want to keep looking at that. But overall, we took the account from $1,122 to $1,674. So overall, great morning, $500 day. I gotta do the math again. So like $500-$600 a day. Yeah, great day. Not gonna cap, great day. So like I said, I might end up taking y'all with me later for a run. I might talk to y'all a little bit more out there. That probably won't be till later though. So I just gotta figure out if I want to do that or not, or I might just go this afternoon and just take y'all with me then, still talk to y'all or something. Yeah, I might do that actually. Get outside, talk to y'all a little bit, and just chit chat. So currently about to finish watching this, post some videos, post some reels, and I'll see y'all probably this afternoon. Peace.